Hello and welcome to Orchis 365, and I want to share this very important Motes unboxing with you. It is Friday and my birthday is this weekend, and this was my happy birthday to me from his sale in June, and it finally arrived. I wanted to share this happy moment with you. I also received some beautiful gifts from my orchid friends this morning that I will show you too. I posted them on Instagram, and I really do feel blessed and very spoiled today. You guys, look how pretty this is. Redland Festival, October 7th through 9, 2022. I love how the orchid looks like a sunrise or a sunset on the water. I'm loving it. You know this is going on my wall, right? It always does. Alright, so I'm gonna put the box down and then hold up, because it's so big, I want to hold up what it has so you can see it better. And okay, I have to be careful because I already see some buds here, so I don't want to mess anything up. Oh my goodness, this one's in flower. Sorry guys. Wow. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look how beautiful. Oh, look, it has another set of buttons there. Oh gosh, I'm gonna have to make her a special sleeve. There you go. Motes Purple Majesty and Naoki Normal. Oof, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I think this is the one that I ordered for my mom. I always buy her orchids when I buy myself orchids. I think by now you guys noticed that, right? That's a pattern. Okay, let me see this beauty. Okay. I always try not to make a mess, but I always do. Wow, look at this. Moria Holland 10, Ocean Storm with Mimi Palmer. And what I'll do is I'm gonna try to get the stock pictures in here from his webpage when I upload the video. Let me try to get that done, because this is gonna be a busy weekend for me. So hopefully, wow, this is beautiful. I really want to put it in a way where I don't keep on pulling things out. These are the Bangkok Sunset, the ones that come in the doubles. And these are the 2-for-1. Here's the tag. Okay. Oh my goodness. This is the Clotana fragrance with the Lusonica. This one I've wanted for a while, and he had a really good deal. This was a really nice bargain. Okay, I see more. Okay. This is my Lamellata Gigantea. Very pretty. Looks like a very pretty cross. Very different. Banco Stylus, Augustus River. And that's the picture. So with that one, you already can see what it's gonna look like. Oh my. I am in love. And my mom is gonna love this. I think this is the one that I ordered for mom. Oh, she's just gonna flip. I'm gonna try to go ahead and mount it for her. I was gonna put it on a honeycomb, but I don't know if it's big enough. I might just put it in one of the baskets that I made, that I have inside, and make sure I didn't forget anything. Thank you so much for joining me for this very special birthday unboxings. I have to settle these and water them and call mom to come get her beautiful new orchid. And oh my god, I love this. This is so pretty. And nothing. I just hope you have a lovely weekend, and happy Father's Day to everybody and plant daddies out there and all my friends. And I'll be celebrating my birthday on Father's Day, so I'll be celebrating all weekend. And this is part of my birthday orchid haul. Sorry, guys. So stay safe, stay kind, and happy growing. Bye.